Kurt, 10 seconds to shoot. Bokal taking 3, ayan na!
Pang semis pala yun.
5-0. Good ball po. Intercepted by Kurt Reyes. Kurt Reyes sa mamadali. Kurt Reyes. Kurt cover. No good. Good ball po yan. Good ball. Sean. Babawi kaya. Sean. Pass to 2 points. Channel. By 2. Rico, 9 minutes exactly. Kiko. To Sean taking 3. No good, 3-5. Adrian. Matusalem pa rin. 10 seconds shot clock. 7 seconds shot clock. Kurt, 2 points. Kurt Reyes. 7-2. No good, 3-5. Intercepted by Rain. Pass to Chano. To Jerry. Wala. Rebound by Rain. Out of bounds.
Good yan.
Good ball po yan.
Good yan.
Matusalem. Pass to Kurt. 2 points. Kurt. Out of bounds. 9-2. 8 minutes exactly. Chico. Rain intercepted by James. Ayan na po. To Kurt, 2 points. Kurt Reyes. 11-2. To Jerry. Nakasutano, step back 3. No good, 3-5. Almanzar. Intercepted by
Pinasa
Jerry.
sa mukha.
Jerry. To Sean, short cover, 2 points. Sean, good shot. 11-4. Intercepted by Sean. Out of bounds. Good ball po yan. 7 minutes and 19. First, Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Short cover ni Reyes. Wala. 3-5. James. To Reyes again. To Matusalem. To Rodak 83. No good, 3-5. Almanzar. To Kurt. 2 points. Kurt Reyes. 34. In favor of Team B. 6 minutes and 40. Jerry. Short cover, no good, 3-5. 7 seconds to shoot. Kiko, short cover, no good pa rin. 3-5, Matusalem. 2 points, Adrian. Matusalem. Wow. 6 minutes and 18, 15-4. Good ball po yan. To Rain, taking 3. No good, 3-5. Jerry, 2 points. Jerry Riala. 15-6. Block by Sadsad. Block again by Sadsad. Wow. Napakagandang pagpapakan sa ilalim. 5 minutes and 56. Labas na po. 5 minutes and 56. Kurt, no good, 3-5. Out of bounds. Good ball po yan, good ball. Labas na po, labas. Short jumper ni Reyes, wala, rebound by Kiko. Nakawala na si Jerry. 2 points, Jerry Reyes. 15-8. Intercepted by Rain. To Jerry. Short jumper ni Jerry, wala pa rin. Rebound by Rain. Rain, wala pa rin. 9 seconds to shoot. To Kiko taking 3. No good. 3-5. Last possession by Cage. Kurt, Almanzar. Intercepted by Kiko. Intercepted by Reyes. Cage for the ball. Basket by Kurt Reyes. 17-8 po. 17-8. 17-8. Labas na po. Jerry Paul. Foul by jersey number 24. Ang laking bulas yan. James Lota, aka the Big Boy. 4 minutes and 45. Sadsad pa na move. Sadsad pa rin. Tapos ang ganda basahan. 2 points. Ray number 17. 17-10. 7-point lead by Team B. Reyes. Reyes, 2 points. Good Reyes. 4 minutes and 21 na lamang. Steal by Kurt Reyes na naman. Kurt Reyes na mamadali. Kurt Reyes naman. Wala. Ibang by Kiko. Sorry miss by Kurt Reyes. Kiko. Kumanda. Kiko lumipad. Kiko pa rin. Si Sean. Block by Matong Salim. 12 seconds to shoot. Wala pa. Block by Dennis Manda. No good. Power rebound ni Big Boy. Grabe ka. Grabe. 3 minutes and 45. 33. Grabe rebound by Al-Nazar. Out of bounds.
Tuloy-tuloy mo na.
19-10. 19-10 in favor of Team B. Tusansa taking 3. No good rebound by Rain. Rain pa rin. To Chano. Chano. To Jerry. Jerry pa rin. 9 seconds to shoot. Chano, short jumper. No good rebound by Rain. Rain. Intercepted. Intercepted ako ni Jerry. Jerry wala. Rebound by Chano. Short jumper ni Chano. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds.
Didian.
Good ball, good ball, good ball po yan, good ball. Well, 9 oras time. Oras, 2 minutes and 55. Aba pa yan. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Oras na tayo, boss.
Take it 3.
Ilang na oras tayo? 10-4. Nag-extend ba?
Good ball, good ball.
Ayaw pa.
2 points, Ray. 19-12. 19-12. Matusalem, wala pa rin. Rebound by. Intercepted to 2 points by Kiko. 19-14. 19-14. 2 minutes and 15.
Yung nauna kasi sobra dito. Isang laro na lang po na 10 minutes magtapos ito. Isang laro na lang po na 10 minutes. Paano po yun? Kami nag-start kami kanina. Ano eh, 8:20 na eh. Yung nauna sa
Oo, 8:20 na kami.
Hindi po kami. Yung una. Bali, ano pa naman po. May 15 minutes pa po kami. Isang game na lang naman po po dati. 10 minutes. Isang game? Oo, 10 minutes. Bali, sakto lang po.
Running time naman yun yan, 10 minutes.
Running time naman po ito.
Good po yan.
1 minute and 45 na lang po yan.
10 seconds to shoot. Al-Nazar, no good. Rebound by Chano. Block shot.
8:20 po natapos yung kanina yung first game. Opo, 10:20 rin po kami. Bali, after 2 hours. Kasi 8:20 kami nag-start kanina eh.
Wala pa rin. Al-Nazar. Wala pa rin. Kiko.
Sabi na lang po sa kanila kasi sinabi ko po yung kanina kanina eh. 8:20 natapos yung nag-start kanina eh.
Taking 3, no good. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Short jumper ni Kiko, wala pa rin. Rebound ni Matusalem. Alone si Big Boy. Big Boy. James, Big Boy, Lota. Grabe ka na. Last 53 seconds. 2 points. 5. Sean.
21-16.
21-16. Last 46 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock. Reyes. Wala rin mapagkamo. 35 seconds. 21-16. 2 points. Jerry Regala. 24 seconds. Shot clock off. 3 point lead, 21-8, 18 seconds, shot clock off, steal by Sansan. 15 seconds, wala na pong shot clock, no good. Rebound by 10 seconds, foul. 6 seconds, wala na pong shot clock yan. Wala na pong shot clock, 6 seconds. 21-18, tatlo lang alamang. 21-18. Labas na po, labas na po. Labas na po. 5 seconds.